Hello everyone, welcome again Learn Basics. So today we will see that how we can play our YouTube video in loop. So as you can see, this is one of my video, and I'm going to play this video in loop. Okay, so before we start the video, we request you to please subscribe my channel from here for latest technological update. Okay, so let's begin the video. As you can see, this is my video. For using the loop option, I need to click right. So when you click right, there is a loop option, check mark of this loop option. Okay, and now when your video will end, it will restart again, as you can see here. Okay, so it will restart again and again, and you don't need to push play button every time. Okay, so I hope you understand that how you can use the loop option. And if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe, share with your friends. We'll meet in a session. Till then, have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.